Hey everyone, it's Ryder and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to introduce you to my wonderful motorcycle and I'm going to give her a little bit of a spring clean. This is Ava. She is a Kawasaki ER-6f 2010 and current mileage is about 23,500. I've done about 4,000 miles on her, so there were about 19,500 when I bought her last July, end of July. And I am an all-weather biker. I bike even in the winter when it's horrible, but now is like really the best time to ride. I love riding in the spring, I love riding in autumn when it's not too hot, but the weather kind of holds up. And this is like one of the first nice days. I feel like spring has finally started. And even if I ride in the winter, it's mostly riding that I have to do. So it's commuting. I don't have a car, so my bike is the main thing to get me around. It's mainly commuting and trips that you have to do, and sometimes it's too cold. You really don't feel like it, but you'd go because you have to get to places. But now there's going to be a lot more recreational riding, and summer is brilliant. Love my bike in the summer. Like, there's no better feeling than taking your bike out on a sunny day. So today I'm going to give Ava a little bit of a clean. I love having a clean bike, taking it around, and everyone can go, oh wow, she's so shiny. But the weather's been awful. Every time I've gone, oh, that's a good day for me to clean the bike, then it's been rainy, or I've looked at the forecast and the next day it's going to be rainy, and I'm like, there's no point. So I'll just show you. So she is very mucky at the moment. If you can see there, check that out. Look at all that. Look at all this that's going on. Look at all this. Look at that, that's all mud. It looks like there's scratches on the paint, but that's actually just mud. That's all mud. Sponge advert. Not sponge advert, what am I talking about? Washing up liquid advert. Cleaning advert. Cleaning stuff advert. The bike is looking really nice and clean now. I'm going to put a couple of pictures at the end just to show you what's the result we got.